explain what is meant by the term structural isomer. Okay, structural isomer is the uh, molecule with the same molecular formula, different structural formula, different uh, structure. Okay, same molecular formula, same molecular formula means the same number of atoms of elements. Okay, so the number of atoms of elements are the same. Okay, that's for B. And then let's see the next number 2. So here I give 4 pages. Now for number 2, the table below gives some of the name and structures of isomers having the molecular formula of C4H9Br. So all these are the isomers. Isomer of C4H C4H9Br. And then for this one, the name of this one is bromo bromobutane. Bromobutane, or we can call as or 1 bromo 1 bromobutane. Butane. Okay, because the bromine is located at carbon atom number 1, and then this one because the bromine is located at the carbon atom number 2, and also methyl is located also at carbon atom number 2. So the name is 2-bromo 2-methyl propane. This is called as the stem structure. The stem structure always be the longest carbon atom. And then how to make the 1-bromine 2-methyl propane. So we look at here, the stem is propane. So there has to be 2-methyl. Oh, so this one CH, um, 2-methyl CH3, and then here C, and then this one has to be H, and then here CH 2 Br. Oh, sorry, it's 2, and then there is a Br 1, and then over here there is a CH 3. So this is the 1-bromo because bromine is located at the carbon atom number 1, and then methyl is located carbon atom number 2. So 1-bromo 2-methyl propane. Remember that the nomenclature always start from the electronegative element. And then this is number 2. Okay, let's continue to number 3. Number 3 here, petroleum is separated into fractions by fractional distillation. The petrol fraction uh, C4 until C12 is burned in internal combustion engines, and the naphtha fraction C4 until C14 is cracked. Cracked, there are two methods of cracking, can be thermal cracking, can be catalytic cracking. Okay, catalytic cracking using aluminum oxide, also can be using zinc oxide. Explain what is meant by the term fraction. Explain what is meant by the term fraction. This one, uh, as applied to fractional distillation. So, the meaning of fraction applied to fractional distillation is the molecule. Here is molecule, molecule, molecule with a similar boiling point, similar boiling point with term fraction as applied to some molecule with a similar two, sorry, is two two molecules, two molecules same with similar boiling points. So they have the same similar boiling point, and then the similar boiling point or similar but not the same. State property of the molecules petroleum is allow mixture to be separated into fraction. Of course, the property the property is the boiling point. And then describe temperature gradient in the column. The column, so the column has a higher temperature temperature at the base or at the bottom. And then B, the fraction from the petroleum contain alkane hydrocarbons. Write an equation for the incomplete combustion of C8H18. C8H18 here is called as octane to produce carbon monoxide and water only. So here we have to make this one, the chemical equation. The chemical equation here C8H18 plus 8 1 by 2 oxygen will become 8CO plus 9H2O. So there is a carbon monoxide and water. And then one isomer, one isomer of C8H18 is 2.2.3 trimethyl throughout the structure of the isomer. Okay, so we have to draw the isomer here. Isomer here, the name is 2.2.3 time trimethylpentane. So what we can do right now is drawing the carbon atom first. Carbon, sorry. So carbon atom. Okay. Okay. So the carbon atom. Let me make a annotation. So this one. Oh, wait. Okay. 2.2.3 trimethylpentane. So carbon of course with hydrogen. If we do not know the hydrogen, we should not write how many hydrogen first. And then this one hydrogen again, and then carbon, hydrogen, and then 3, 4, and then this one 5. Because here is written 2.2.3, so we can write here is 3, and then 2.2, so we can write over here 3 also, and then here is supposed to be hydrogen 2, but the hydrogen 2, but since there is a branch, so CH no, CH3, and then here 2, this one also CH3, and then 2.2 was already, now the
Teacher,
third.
teacher.
Oh, sorry.
The second carbon,
Yeah,
why is that
yes.
hydrogen?
This one, there is this one CH3, so this one is must be 2, and then because here is too many with hydrogen, carbon can only bind with 4, so we have to erase. Erase, and then this one, yeah, so 2.2.3 trimethylpentane. State one economic reason uh, for the cracking of cracking for the fraction. This one cracking the economic cracking will produce will produce more useful useful products. Uh, Useful products usually made up of smaller chain hydrocarbons hydrocarbons because the smaller chain easy to combust, easy to burn. Okay, and then next, this one, identify the catalyst in catalytic cracking. As I told you, it can be aluminum oxide, can be zinc oxide or zeolite. And then for number E, identify the different types of hydrocarbon produced in high percentage by thermal cracking of alkanes. It is the high percentage. The high percentage is occurring with smaller chain of alkenes. Smaller chain of alkene. So the different type of hydrocarbon produced in high percentage by thermal cracking. It is the alkene. Okay, short chain of alkenes. And then number 4, many hydrocarbon compounds burn readily in air. Show equation for the complete combustion of C15H32. So we write here C15H32 should be plus with 23 oxygen will produce 15 CO2 plus 16 H2O. Okay, so this is the expression for the complete combustion. And then one of the gaseous products of the incomplete combustion of methane in gas fires is known to be poisonous. Identify this product and write an equation for the reaction in which it is formed from methane. So the one of the gaseous product in combustion is known to be poisonous. So here the characteristic this gas, this product has to be poisonous, and identity of the product uh, is the identity of the product is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide causes carboxy hemoglobin. Okay, carboxy hemoglobin. So carboxy hemoglobin is the inability for our blood to bind oxygen. This causes dizziness as the first symptom. And then equation, the equation, this one is must be incomplete combustion. Okay, must be incomplete combustion because it's written here incomplete combustion. So the equation of the product, the example is CH4 plus 3 by 4 O2, 3 by 4 O2, or this is uh, written 3, or make it simple, 3 by 2 O O2 will become CO plus 2H2O. So the number of hydrogen is 4, the number of carbon is 1, the number of oxygen atoms there are 3. So 3 by 2 O2. Okay. Okay, and then next, the last page. Crude oil is separated into fraction. Crude oil is separated into fraction by fractional distillation. Outline how different fractions are obtained by this process. Okay, obtained by this process is this one. Crude oil is heated until until uh, forms vapor. Okay, the lower fractions with lower boiling point will vaporize will vaporize, and then goes to the fractionating column and condenses. Okay, so there is the process, and then the uh, other condensation follows by fractions with higher boiling points. Okay, until all the solid residues which has the highest boiling point will remain. Okay, so the lower boiling point will be at the top, and then the highest boiling point will be at the bottom. Number B. Table below gives details of the supply and demand for some crude oil fractions. There are gases: petrol and naphtha, kerosene, gas oil, fuel oil, and bitumen. Typical supply from crude oil, global demand, and then there is a typical supply. Use the data given above to explain why the catalytic cracking of the crude oil fraction is commercially important. Commercially important because higher this one, the smaller typical supply, global demand, petrol and naphtha, and then kerosene. So the gas oil has more fuel oil and bitumen. The demand here, the supply is 50, and then the global demand is only 38. So there is an excess of supply than the demand. And then for gas oil, the supply is 19, but the global demand is 23%. Kerosene is the supply is more than the demand. The demand is only 8, the supply is 13%. And then petrol and naphtha, the supply is only 16%, but the demand is much more, is around 11% more. And then the gases also the same. The supply is only 2%, but the demand is 4%. So it is the small fraction is more useful because it can be used for other petrochemical reactions, for the other petrochemical products also. Like example, petrol naphtha can be made into plastic. And then give two main types of products obtained by catalytic cracking. To give two main types of product obtained by catalytic cracking. So there is a type 1 and type 2. Okay, for type 1, this into the simplest. It is for motor. Oh, so first one is for motor motor vehicle fuel. So fuel. Okay, it is the fuel fuel for motor vehicle. And then type 2 is for aromatic hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbons can be cycloalkanes, can be benzene from reforming. Name a catalyst. Okay, the catalyst is aluminum oxide, as we discussed earlier. Aluminum oxide, and then condition higher temperature, which is 450 degrees Celsius, and then uh, the pressure is more than 1 atm, but not until can be 2 atm, but not more than 10 atm, because will easily to explode. So catalyst is aluminum aluminium oxide, and then the condition is between temperature time at 450 degrees Celsius and pressure between 1 atm to 10 atm. Okay, so this one are the discussion of the today's worksheet for AS level. Okay, before I move to the A level major for major, let me do attendance. Let me do attendance for the 12S. Let me do attendance for the 12S. Okay. There is Angel Honey. Who is this? A Jovial Alexander.
That would be Angie's full name.
Oh, Angie. Oh, Angie is here. Okay.
Yep.
And then there is Audrey A, Audrey Dennis, Calista. Calista is, where is Calista? I do not see Calista. Okay, Calista's name is not here. And then Bagus,
Oh
Christopher.
no.
Oh, Christo B. Okay. And then the Devin, Adeline, AU, Evan, David, and then Hansen, Jalen, Jet. Jet, the name is Mika. Okay. And then Jocelyn, Justin, then Bimo is here, Michelle A, Michelle A, okay, and then Michelle L, then Nicholas, I heard your voice, and then
Yep. I'm there.
and then um, Owen. Owen is, where is Owen? Owen is here.
I'm here. I'm here.
Yes, Owen, and then Peter. Peter is here. Okay, and then Stephanie. Stephanie here. Wilson. Winston. Brandon. 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 Where is Brandon? Oh, Brandon.
I'm here.
Yeah. And then Michael Angono, I saw. And then Kevin, I saw his name.
Yes.
And then Celine. Celine. I do not see Celine's name. Celine. And then Jaslyn. Jaslyn here. Luisa here. Angelica. Okay, yeah. So only Calista and Celine not here. Okay. So after this, I'm going to discuss with the uh, major. Okay, for minor, this is the worksheet we discussed already, and I put already on the uh, what's that Google Classroom, the worksheet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now I'm going to continue with the A level. Okay, if I already take attendance, so for minor, if you want to stay here, stay tuned with the online, also no problem. If you want to log out, also no problem. Okay.
Teacher,
Yeah. Okay.
do we have to submit the discussion?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now you can start 2, and then now for the A level.